Hey guys, so I'm super excited to show you about this new product. This brand is called Forever Bloom, and what this is a Biomimic foundation. This also has SPF 50 in it, and it's waterproof, so it's really good. So pretty much this like goes on like a moisturizer, but let me show you how it actually comes out. So it comes out white like this. So then you have to just rub it into your skin, and look at the color change. Isn't that crazy? So the foundation mimics the color of your skin tone, whether that's, you know, cool tone, warm tone, and it covers any redness, any veins. Look at that finish. It's like a nice glowy finish. Look at the difference. It's insane. So I'm gonna now apply it on my face just to show you guys how to apply it and how it goes on. So pretty much you want to apply it like a moisturizer. Look at that change. Just literally changing to the color of my skin. You just rub it in. Like it literally covered my pimple over there. This is with no foundation, and this is with foundation. Look at the difference, and look at the glowy finish it gives you. Wow. I'm amazed. I love it. And this also comes in a light, medium, and a dark shade. So this is perfect for everybody, especially for my girls who love going to the beach and want to wear a little bit of foundation on. This is perfect. Literally perfect. It gives you that waterproof resistant, and it gives you that nice skin-like foundation feel. It does not feel cakey at all. I also want to compare it actually to Fenty Beauty foundation. I know you guys know Fenty Beauty foundation. So I'm gonna try and pump this one out. Obviously this one comes out as the skin color. Now this one is a bit more harder to rub in because usually you would apply it on with a brush or a beauty blender. This one gives you more of a matte finish and more of a like full coverage look. But if you're looking for something more natural and glowy, I definitely recommend this. I am definitely obsessed.